This is Know Your College MNLU Mumbai by Arjun, a fourth year student. तो अर्जुन कॉलेज शहर से कितना दूर है?
सो कॉलेज शहर के अंदर ही है. हम आईटी बॉम्बे के जस्ट सामने ही हमारा कैंपस है. इट्स इन द सिटी इटसेल्फ.
What about the fees? 5 साल की फीस कितनी है?
Around 15 lakhs inclusive of the hostel fees.
What about the hostel arrangements?
So we have a new hostel that we have been allotted, where we have 3 sharing rooms and 6 sharing rooms that we are given via draw of lots.
What about the mess food? Mess का खाना कैसा है and what are the alternatives that you have?
The mess food is decent, but generally people prefer tiffin services since we are in Bombay and Bombay is known for that.
And since you live in Mumbai, a city which never sleeps, is there any in and out time of the college?
So yeah, we have an official in time of 10 p.m. Which can be extended by taking day passes or like permission from your parents.
And what about the junior senior interaction? क्या कॉलेज में किस तरह की रैगिंग है?
हमारे कॉलेज में से रैगिंग की सिचुएशन बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, थैंक्स टू आवर सीनियर्स. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट आवर कॉलेज, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट आवर कॉलेज इज द सीनियर जूनियर इंटरेक्शन दैट वी हैव. इट्स वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड like it's really motivating for everyone to work hard.
What about the academic pressure?
So academic pressure as such is not that hectic, to be very honest. Only in like very couple of tough semesters we have like a little bit of academic pressure. As such, the exams that we have is twice in a semester, that's mid-sems and end semesters.
How much does the college focus on ADR and mooting?
So ADR and mooting culture in our college, even though we are relatively a new college, is quite well. Like the college provides reimbursement for national competitions, and for international also you are eligible for reimbursements if you do well.
What about the sporting facilities?
So we don't have sporting facilities because we don't have a campus at all.
And क्या college internships freak out करने में help करते हैं?
So if you are in the top 10 of your batch, the college does provide a lot of opportunities for you to go ahead and secure internships. But if you are not, then you have to figure out those internships on your own. But that's something that is possible because since you are in Bombay, that becomes relatively easier.
And what about the job prospect?
So the job prospect is decent enough. The best placements that we have had is around out of a batch of 60, we have been able to place around 41, 42 people. But the last year's placements were not that good. Out of I think say 80 people who wanted to get placed, 35 of them got placed, most of them in corporate fields.
Arjun, which is one thing which you don't like about your college?
I think the one thing that I think everyone in our college agrees is that a lack of campus is something that really hurts us, because we have heard a lot about how college is with a campus and we have not been able to experience that. So a campus in the same location is something that we would ideally want.
And which is one thing which you love the most about your college?
I think the location advantage of Mumbai is a real benefit to us. It really provides us with a lot of opportunities on how to go about securing a job, as well as the exposure that the city provides is something that is unmatched to any other city in this country. So yeah. So if you do have any other doubts about MNLU Mumbai, please drop a comment down in the comment box, and either me or Varun will surely go ahead and reply to those queries.